Okay, so one of the things we do, especially with these older houses, because it's really cool, this awesome wood and this carpet's thrashed anyway. So we're gonna get this all buffed out. All right, 30 days later, with not a huge investment, here's our transformation of this property on Franklin. Hello everybody, I got a brand new listing and I just want to share with you what we're going to do with this house. This is a fixer. And so this is what we do when we evaluate homes. And it's in need of carpet. So what we're going to do with this carpet is a lot of these older homes built in the 50s. Okay, so one of the things we do, especially with these older houses, because it's really cool, this awesome wood and this carpet's thrashed anyway. So we're going to get this all buffed out, and it's all throughout the house, and we'll see some more of it. But we're also going to replace, oh goodness, we're going to replace baseboards. Baseboards, these 1-inch baseboards, as you can see, are not very dramatic or anything, and they don't cause a great appealing place. So we're going to put some nice taller baseboards on. These are really minor things, and that's the beauty of it, is they're cheap. They're not that expensive to do, and they create such a big difference, and that's what we'll show you later on here in this video. And these right here, see the old yellow, they don't looks old and dingy and everything. We're gonna replace those, and you'll see how much better it looks. And then we're gonna paint throughout, paint the whole part. We're gonna scrape these ceilings. It's funny because you usually don't get these cottage cheese ceilings in these houses built in the 50s, so this must have been added afterwards, but no longer, as you already probably know, they're not too much in style. We're going to replace this flooring here, and we're still contemplating what we're going to do here. We might open up the kitchen a little bit more, get a new slider, a couple new windows, and I tell you, a picture's worth 1,000 words, so this is going to be cool because you'll see this when it's done, hence why we're here. We're going to revamp this. We think we can salvage this. My guy said that these cabinets actually are good quality cabinets, so they're salvageable. What I mean by that is it's going to save a lot of money. We're going to paint them, put new knobs on them, change the, we've got this countertop that's really inexpensive that looks really sharp, and change the countertop. Probably have to change the sink and the faucet. And this is what we're trying to figure out, if we should move this into the garage, because it will absolutely make up a much bigger kitchen is better. I mean, you can never have a kitchen that's too big, frankly. So that remains to be seen. Yeah, we'll go back around this way. And then we just got three, kind of a fourth bedroom. So this will all be wood floors, hardwood floors. This bathroom's already done, so luckily this is great. This will be wonderful for us. You always want to have this down whenever you have photos or videos or anything for that matter. And then over here, you'll check this out. This is bedroom number 1. Look at these floors. It's going to be great when you see the before and after. I got this hardwood floor guy, Sonny, met him years ago. He's awesome. And then he'll make these floors look brand new. Well, I don't even need to go in there. And the paint, of course, and the baseboards are going to do wonders. And here's the primary bedroom. And then they've got this addition, so we'll redo this. But here we can use those baseboards. See, they've already done in here. They've already done it. So you see how much a cleaner look that is. And then we'll spruce this up. This room as well. It's kind of like a fourth bedroom or den or office or anything like that. And bathroom is fine. Another toilet left up. Always shut these toilets. Or anything and everything, especially when it's on the market. But probably not a lot of light in here. I'm not sure if we're getting the light. But it's kind of a mess, but we're gonna have it. We're gonna have this done. We're gonna probably around 3 to 4 weeks out, and this will all be ready, and it's gonna be polished. It's gonna be so nice. I can't wait for you to see the results. first, you remember I had that carpet. Now we've got these beautiful hardwood floors. In the kitchen, we've installed this very inexpensive, looks like travertine flooring, as well as modifying the kitchen. We painted that original kitchen, kept the cabinets, those were fine. They just needed to be cleaned up and painted. And then we removed the laundry that was here in the kitchen, because that's an odd place for a laundry washer and dryer. And it also opens up this space so much, making this house so much more compelling to the buyers. A new sliding glass door, updated this window. We painted it throughout, and then we replaced the baseboards and painted this beautiful color that's very effective. But notice the contrast of the baseboard on the color of the paint. I know that may sound minor, but it creates for such a better feel for the house, for the buyer. This bathroom was actually already done, so we didn't have to do anything for that. Same thing. And check out the new electrical switches and plugs. Edwin will show it to you. And it just creates a better feel. No one's gonna walk in and go, oh, I'm paying extra money for this house because it has electrical plates and plugs, new. But they're gonna feel better when they're here. They won't even know why necessarily, but it will be partially because of that. Again, a little elbow grease can go a long way, and this is gonna cause this property. We already have eight offers on it, and we've just been on the market for 3 days. And then the master we cleaned up, and then this the last and final room. Again, we used more of that travertine looking tile, which is not travertine, but of course it gives the feel of travertine, and it's around 1/10 the cost, creating such a great experience for the buyers. So as you can see, we also staged it. Staging is extremely important. Not only the remodel, but the staging will get us top dollar for this house. It's very important to stage the property. Come check out some more of this staging. Rooms are somewhat minimal, but it looks nice. It looks really sharp. Why does the buyer who pays the most money pay the most money for the house? It's as simple as the way they feel when they're here at the house. And that's where these upgrades come into play. I mean, we're going to get, again, a lot more than what was spent for this house, because they're going to feel so much better when they walk in. They feel comfortable. All they know is, wow, this house looks fantastic. They feel good, and hence they write an offer. We get that negotiated up to the highest price the market will bear. But staging, beautiful, enormous window in the living room. And you can also see the front yard. This too is a minimal investment, but very effective investment. Clean this up, providing for a great feel for all the buyers that come see the house. Curb appeal is very important. Did this over here too. And again, just on the market a few days, we already got 8 offers. We'll be getting more. We're gonna take our time. We're gonna negotiate with all the buyers. We're gonna respond to all the buyers. Why? Because it's fair to the buyers, and ironically, what's fair to the buyers, it's also better for the sellers, because that price climbs. I hope you enjoyed this video and see how these great upgrades will make an enormous difference. And I'm talking about a difference of $100,000, $200,000, and this was under $1 million house. So this is a great thing.